Hello and welcome to Callistos Live YouTube channel. Today we're going to be going over a GBP JPY trade recap. This was a 1 to 3.64 or 1 to 3.6 risk reward ratio trade, right? And basically this was at London Open. Okay, so if we just turn on sessions indicator right here, you can see that the green section of the chart, this is when London opens, right? And also this is the 5-minute time frame right here. And you can see London Open right here. So basically what was happening, right, is price had a big sell-off, of course, last week, right? You can see this coming down here. My camera might be in the way, but you can see it coming down, right, trending down. And then what we start seeing here is price create a support, right? So if I just draw this out, if I just grab my box, you can see that price is creating a support right here, right? It's bouncing. And this is GBP JPY, right? So this is a pair that is strongest and has the most volume at London, like pre-London and London session open, right? Because obviously it's the pound. So this is when I look for my trades most of the time or all of the time on GBP JPY. And what I saw was this candle right here. This box is previous daily lows. So this was Friday's low, and then we opened up today, we spiked down and we started bouncing. So this was Friday's low, and we can see this candle right in here. This is an engulfing candle right at London Open. Okay, if I turn this on again, you can see London session opens right here, and this candle engulfs the previous candle, right? So we can see if we measured that, right, previous candle body is 21 pips, and this one was 29 pips, right? And it completely engulfs, right? I go off the bodies, I don't go off the wicks. So this candle body completely engulfs the previous candle body, right? And then if we go into the time frame, what do we see? We see that this candle opens, we see that price is creating a support here, right? It's bouncing. Then we get this rejection wick down on the 5-minute time frame over here, and then you see close bullish. So I had my buy stops above this previous 1 hour high right here, right? So you can see on the 1 hour chart over here, I had my buy stops right there as it broke that previous hourly high, as long as it made a bottom wick, which it did first, made a bottom wick and then started pushing up. I had my buy stops right there. And I had my target at in this level somewhere, right? So at this previous resistance right here, you can see on the 1 hour time frame that previous resistance, right? So that was around about 40 pips that I went for. So you can see price started slowing down as it got there. I actually took my profits, I think it was around about 36 pips, something like that, for $343, right? So yeah, 1 to 3.3, beautiful trade, made $343, made 4.3% of my account, right? So made 4% of my account today in one trade. My stop loss was 11 pips below that previous 5-minute low right there. And I just went basically from this zone to this zone, right? So beautiful trade all in all. Once price pushed 10 pips into profit, so around about here, I moved my stops to break even. Boom, right? Stops to break even. And then price didn't come back. Price just pushed all the way up there on the 5-minute chart and hit my take profit. So yeah, very happy with that trade. Beautiful trade. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments, and we'll see what happens around this zone, right, for the rest of the session. If we get a closure above on the 1 hourly, obviously we've had closures above here on the 5-minute, but that doesn't really mean too much. We want a closure above here on the 1 hour chart, right, to potentially look for some more buys. GU, again, GU at a similar resistance, right? Rejecting pretty heavy that resistance now, as you can see on the 1 hour time frame. Euro USD, I do have alerts right up at this resistance and down at this support for either buys above here or sells below here. But we're kind of just playing around in that range at the moment. And of course, gold, we have broke above previous daily highs right here, right? This resistance to the left. But yeah, we haven't really continued on after that. We've didn't break that previous high, and now potentially we're going to come down and retest this level, I would say, to then potentially go long from there if we get the right price action. So yeah, that's that. GJ, beautiful trade. Like I said, you can see the profits down below, $343. 4.3% of my account made today, so I'm very happy with that trade. Like I said, risked 11 pips to make, you know, pretty much 40 pips, right? So yeah, that is that. Like I said, if you guys have any questions about anything, let me know. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching.